this film I've honestly made with my heart. I've not even looked at any commerce, so that's a question for the producer. I think he must be a bit nervous today. Again? No, see, I'll tell you something with the censor board. I mean, I can understand they're going through a bit of an uncertain time. So I guess they're being extra careful. It's just that it's not that any one person can be pointed out. It was a collective decision, and I mean, they're doing their job. Yeah, I'm doing mine.
I'm really excited, and I'm so excited that we're getting to see it so much earlier in advance. That is the most exciting part. Homie is a really dear friend. He's a college friend of mine, so I'm here to root for him. And of course, the wonderful ensemble. Some of the finest actors in this country are in this movie. And I don't think it can get better than this. This kind of ensemble with then Arjun and Deepika, who are in top form anyway. I think the whole combination of forces coming together are really tremendous.
करण, मेरे दो सवाल हैं आपसे. पहला सवाल, जो कोरियोग्राफी है उसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे, क्योंकि
वो एक तो शेख और बुटिया, वो तो ट्रेमेंडस आइडिया था. आई थिंक होमी ने बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंगली उस गाने को पेश किया है. वो रोलिंग क्रेडिट का गाना है, मैंने सुना है, बट ट्रेमेंडस आइडिया. आई मीन ग्रेट यूज ऑफ ग्राफिक.
आशा ताई आज थोड़ी सी भड़क गई थी. उनका कहना है कि आजकल के जो गाने हैं वो उन्हें पसंद नहीं, खास करके लिरिक्स वाइज बात करी जाए.
आई थिंक आशा जी इज़ अ ह्यूमंगस लेजेंड, एंड वो जो भी कहे आई थिंक वी हैव टू टेक वेरी सीरियसली. वो उनकी राय है, एंड आई एम श्योर मैं सहमत हूँ कि आजकल के जो गाने हैं दे आर वेरी डिफरेंट एंड अनयूजुअल. और जिस किस्म के गाने आशा जी, लता जी उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया है, गाया है, इट्स ऑन अनदर लेवल ऑल टुगेदर. सो मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि उनकी भावनाएँ क्या है. बट ऑल हैव टू से इज़ दैट we're in this zone and we have to kind of try our best to make the best in the given scenario.
Scenes nahi hai, ma'am. There are some cuts. Scenes is when they cut out entire scenes. ताकि audience को गलत फहमी ना हो कि scenes काटे जा रहे हैं. There's a certain word that there was an issue and there is a certain moment that there is an issue. But more than that,
I think usually with every film, the film does go back and forth a couple of times before it's finally passed, and I think that's like usual routine. And I can't understand why for this particular film it's been blown out of proportion for no reason.
Are you looking forward to doing such films in future?
Absolutely, but I mean, I don't think the intention is to do a tax-free film. I don't think we set out to make those kind of films. I think we all sort of look for films that we connect with as an actor. You identify with a character. You look at the larger picture. You want to be part of a film where you want to tell an interesting story. And in the process, if it ends up becoming a biopic, or if it ends up becoming, one of those films where the a particular state feels like it should be tax-free, or you want to promote that kind of a film, then I think that's a great thing.
Have people already seen the movie as yet? I mean, have you guys got any reviews for it? For the movie?
I think today's our first screening, and we've not even seen the film ourselves. So it'll be quite interesting to see what we don't even know who's here. So I mean, it'll be interesting to see what couple of our friends have come to see the film.
We're the most lost people at this screening at this point, because we were discovering that in the car. Acha koi aaya, kaun aaya? Because we just finished work and got in here. But it'll be nice to get feedback. It'll be the first genuine feedback we get from outside the film's perspective. So it should be interesting.
What are the kind of reviews?
The reactions. I mean, honestly, the reaction's been really nice. It's been overwhelming to know that people are reacting so positively to a film like Fanny. We always knew that. I think that's why we decided to be part of doing something unique in that sense. And the audience lapping it up, whether it's digitally, whether it's you guys who've spoken about the film so highly, I've recently joined Twitter, the kind of feedback I've got, it shows that our audience is ready. So the feedback has been very, very encouraging, and fingers crossed for the 12th of September.
I think it's largely been, it's looking really fun, it's looking really quirky, it's looking very different. I think these are largely the kind of reactions that are coming, and I think what we didn't expect is the kind of reaction that we've got to Shake Your Bhuttiya. We thought Fanny Ray was the song that everyone will enjoy, but I think Shake Your Bhuttiya is what people are really enjoying. In fact, I was listening to radio in the car the other day, and in a span of half an hour I heard the song like 3 or 4 times. So it's nice.
Do you like drinking Fanny?
The film is called Fanny, huh?
Do we like drinking Fanny? I've never tasted Fanny, but the film is Finding Fanny, not Fanny.
अर्जुन, राम लखन के लिए आपको रोल अप्रोच हुआ है कि नहीं?
So Finding Fanny, we are here to talk about. It's releasing in English and in Hindi. Fanny की बात करें, yes, it's one of the most delightful things from Goa, which has been known for so many years. मैंने आज तक टेस्ट नहीं किया, unfortunately. जब गोवा में थे, unfortunately, I would like to taste it. Why not? But I remember we had this conversation while shooting also, but we never got down to tasting it or even trying it out.
मेरे हिसाब से there are few films that you already decide that I'm going to like this film. So when I saw the promos of this film, I decided that this is the one film that I'm going to love. And Om is a kind of person who I don't think can ever make a film that you won't like, because of the kind of individual he is. So I'm looking forward to the film, and I think people are going to love this film. The performances are going to be incredible. So if for nothing else, come to see that. The performances.
There are many questions about you and Katrina not being combined together for Bang Bang. And
Not being combined?
yeah,
What's wrong?
there are questions of
Combined ही तो है.
there's a